What's the meaning of comatose? Comatose. Comatose.
Comatose. Comatose. Comatose is a medical term used to describe a state of unconsciousness where a person appears to be asleep and cannot be awakened. Individuals in this state have severely reduced brain activity and cannot respond to external stimuli. Coma can be caused by a variety of factors, including head trauma, drug overdose, or stroke. Although some people do recover from coma, the chances of recovery depend on the underlying cause, duration of the coma, and extent of brain damage. Treatment may include addressing the underlying cause, supportive care, and rehabilitation.